I'm Aaronson. I'm a studio glassmaker based in West Horsley in Surrey, and I'm a fellow of the Society of Designer Craftsmen. I'm inspired by the ceaseless mutability of light on the landscape, the sky and on water. I'm fascinated by horizons, the vanishing point where the land merges with the sky. Glass is the ideal medium to express this idea of continual change, since its properties are inherently mutable, not only in its molten state, but also in the way the play of light creates endless nuances in the finished pieces. I think of my artwork as a story of surface and form, a shimmering moment of reflection as light passes over and through. Glass contains its own dynamic of reflection and refraction, and balancing the relationship between form and surface is often challenging. I explore the organic form of each sculpture or vessel, celebrating the natural flow and force of molten glass, sometimes leaving behind traditional requirements for functionality. What I really enjoy about making glass is the uncertainty. I hope you enjoyed a brief glimpse of me at my work. I hope you enjoyed having a sneaky peek at my process.